Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of times we spend time showing the new in items that we've got and talk about how we're going to style them and put them in our wardrobe. But today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm actually going to be showing you how I actually edit my closet and take items out of my wardrobe or just pull them to the forefront so that I can wear them again because it's been a while. So here I'm starting off with some vintage items that I have already had. Most of these I know what I'm going to do with them or not, but then you'll see very quickly I started to try some of them on just because I'm not sure if they still fit or if I like the way they fit or if they still work in my wardrobe. So we're just going to jump right in. For example, this vintage sweater that I love around like Christmas time, keeping it's thick, it's wool, it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. This is a scarf that I got like on vacation somewhere, or maybe someone gave it to me. I don't know. I don't really wear scarves like that, but again, I think someone gave this to me, so I'm probably going to hold on to it. Next is like this little, just like a little black mock neck midi dress that I probably got from God knows where. I'm gonna get rid of that. This cute little vintage sweater, gonna hold on to that for a little bit. This vintage, it's like Liz Claiborne or something, I can't remember, but it's like a really cute like vintage lounge shirt, so I'm probably gonna hold on to that as well. I love the fit of it. It's kind of like boxy and cropped a little bit, looks great with like some vintage jeans. This cute blazer here, see, I'm gonna have to try this on because I don't know if it still fits. But how cute is she? I mean, it's a little snug, but again, I'm still postpartum, so not too much on your girl. Have to go in the mirror and look because I got to make sure that I'm seeing what I think I'm seeing and that I actually want to like keep it. But it is very cute. Love her. It's like this houndstooth wool blazer. Very cute, great for winter and good for layering as well. So I'm definitely going to hold on to that one. Next up, we have another vintage sweater. This one I also love. It's like navy blue and green with like some white in it. It's just easy to throw on and dress up in the winter. So yeah, I'm going to hold on to that one. Next up, we have this vintage cardigan. It's like black with like some silver detailing to it. I'm going to hold on to this. It's really good quality, and I probably need to start wearing that. So we'll check on that later. Up next, we've got this really cute oversized like vintage shirt. I have to show you kind of what it looks like. Oh, there it is. I'm trying it on. I'm doing this in real time, so I don't remember exactly how things went. So if I get surprised by something that I do, it's just because I don't remember that I did it. So here I am trying this on and just trying to give you an idea of what it looks like. It's given like dad sweater, but like I love that vibe. I'm excited to like kind of style this and like almost hit myself and really bring it to the forefront of my wardrobe so that I can like wear it. This is a great like everyday piece for sure. Up next, this is one of my favorite vintage cardigans. It's got like this cute little like white and black and a little bit of red like detailing at the wrist or like the cuff. I'm not going to try this one on because I already know that I'm keeping it. I think my husband called my name, so I had to go see what he wanted. But yeah, I'm going to hold on to this one because that one is like one of my favorites. It's like oversized, really cute, very easy to wear. So one sec. I don't know what I was doing here. But I'm back. All right. Why are you going to put it right there? Go put it on your plate.
My plate?
Yeah. So if it melts. Your plate is this way.
Oh yeah, this.
All right, so next up is this amazing vintage leather jacket. I have not worn this piece yet, but I absolutely want to, which again, this is why I'm doing this, to kind of really go through and see like what I have, what I want to keep, and what I want to actually wear. So here I am trying this on, making sure that it still fits and that I like the way that it looks, like I originally thought I did. And so far so good. I think it's really cool. It has this like amazing like snake skin like suede on top. Very cool. Next up is this really cute like wool kind of like cropped cardigan. It looks really small because I have on this big t-shirt, but still it's very cute. It's like this rich purple color, and this is one of my favorite vintage finds because I paid like 25 cents for that, so I'm keeping her for absolute sure. And I'm definitely going to wear it, and I can't wait to style her up, once I obviously take off the t-shirt. Next up, this piece is not vintage. I got this from Urban Outfitters like, I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago. It's like a champion, like fuzzy sweatshirt. And I actually have a outfit idea in mind for that. So I'm definitely going to hold on to that. This is a thrifted blazer that I got, and the fit on this is absolutely amazing. Obviously, not over this t shirt, but you can kind of see how the waist kind of cuts in a little bit. It's a great fit. I love it. I love how it comes down to cover the bum just a little bit. Like, it's a great, great, great staple blazer that I'm absolutely going to keep in my wardrobe. Next up, this is a vest that I thrifted while on vacation in Florida maybe a year or so ago. I absolutely love this. Definitely want to wear it. Have been thinking about outfits for this and then kind of forgot that I had it. So again, that's why I'm doing this. So I can remember what I have, pull it out, and actually wear it. Love the rich color on this. Yeah, it's perfect. Can't wait to wear this one. Next, I don't even really know what this is, girl. I think it might be like a golf vest. I don't know. I just be buying stuff sometimes. I thought it was cute. Now it's looking real small and like, girl, what did you buy? Struggling to get it on. And you see how my head to the side. I already know I'm not keeping this. Like, don't waste my time, girl. Just take it off. We're not keeping it. What is it? We still trying to figure out. Like, look at how I threw that down. I'm not keeping that. All right, next is another item that I thrifted while I was on vacation in Florida. It's a vintage wool jacket. It is super cute. It's thick. I love that rich green color. I feel like it's going to be one of the colors of the year. You see how I'm already dancing, looking excited? I already know I'm keeping this one. Much better feel than the last item I had on. Absolutely keeping this. Going to pull it out so that I can actually wear it. Make sure it's washed and clean and ready to go so that I can just add it to my wardrobe. No problem. Next up, this is kind of like a blazer vest type of situation. It's definitely a top. It's like linen. It's lined on the inside. It's really cute, but it's one of those items that I bought as like a project because it has like some loose threads and like kind of needs to be fixed, but like not too much. But it was so cute that I couldn't pass it up, and I'm pretty sure I paid like $1 or $2 for this, and I was like, yeah, we can get this fixed. Obviously, I have not gotten it fixed. That's why it's still sitting where it was sitting. But look at the back. It's so cute. Like, imagine this in the summertime, like with some like cute shorts, like a cute skirt, like absolutely adorable. Gonna hold on to this, and I'm gonna push myself to fix it or get it fixed because it's really great and I'm not gonna give that up. Love vintage pieces like that. Next up, this is a vest that I got to wear with some satin pants that I had got from the Frankie shop, and I thought it would be really cute style with like an oversized vest. So I actually got a couple of this to try with that particular outfit, and this is just one of them. And this one has like navy and with like pinstripes on the front. Definitely gonna hold on to this, obviously, because yeah, even if I don't wear it with the satin pants, and I still want to keep it and wear it. This is, oh yeah, a pair of satin, like, what's it? Tina Turk. I can't remember the brand. Tina Turk. I can't think. But yeah, they're like a size 2. They are not fitting right now, but they are really nice, sleek trousers that I want to kind of hold on to. And then if I get back in them, I do. And if I don't, then I'll donate them then. But they were like super cheap. I can't even pass this up. I can't see what that sticker says, but just know it was half off whatever that sticker says. Definitely holding on to those for now anyway. Next up is another one of the vests that I thrifted. This one I believe is like gray and black. Yeah, I don't know. I just kind of what I went in there looking for, and I found them at a really good price, like a couple dollars each. This one fits really well, so yeah, I'm excited to style this one and wear it. And this is the last of the vests that I thrifted that day. This one is solid navy, but it's got like this really nice navy color on the back that's like satin, and I thought that would match my Frankie shop pants really well. So I feel like this one would probably be the best to wear with those pants, but yeah, we'll see. So this is a pair of vintage leather pants that I thrifted. They were super cheap. I think they may have been marked at like $7.50, and then I got like half off that. So I had to get them even though they're like a size 10. So again, this was one of those pieces that was supposed to be a project piece, like, oh, I can get them taken in or I can fix them somehow. We'll see. As you see, they're still sitting there with the tags on them, so I have not done anything with them. But I'm going to try them on, kind of verify whether or not I want to keep them. Obviously, they are way too big, even at my current size, so there's just no way. I hate to get rid of them, but I can't do anything with them. Next are these adorable baby pink linen shorts, like Bermuda shorts. I cannot wait to wear these in spring, summer. Definitely gonna have to pull these out. They are super cute. They fit well. Obviously Bermuda shorts are on trend right now, but honestly, I like them anytime because I just love longer shorts anyway. I'm not really like a fan of like summer clothing in general, but Bermuda shorts are definitely something that I want to add to and keep in my wardrobe. I love the pleating details on the front too, super cute. Obviously it has pockets, they're shorts. I have to go in the mirror, check them out, make sure I really like them, and yeah, pretty sure I'm keeping these. Next up, I have this vintage jacket that I've had for a couple years. I think I actually bought this to sell in my online vintage store that I used to have. Um, I don't know. I just really like this jacket. Like, I just can't explain it. I love all the little like wooden pieces on the buttons, all of the like pulls and stuff. Yeah, can't make me hate her. Love her. I'm keeping her. Yeah, she's just cute. And my daughter likes it too, so she's definitely staying. Yeah, I smell it. Oh yeah, this blanket is for me. That's not a blanket. That's my sweater. All right, next up is this really cute red and black speckled vintage sweater. I'm definitely keeping her. I wear her all the time. I've already worn it several times this winter. It's just easy to throw on and make a cute outfit out of. So absolutely keeping her. One of my favorites. Next, we have this vintage sweater. It has like these colorful like leaves kind of embroidered on the front. Definitely want to keep that. Nothing to think about there. I know I love that one. This is something I probably got from like Ross or somewhere like 5-6 years ago. It still has a tag on it. Shameful. But just look at it. You can see how thin it is from here. Like, I'm absolutely not keeping that. Definitely something that I do not want in my wardrobe, and definitely something that I would not add again. So I would never, I wouldn't purchase that again. And so again, that's why this is important to do, to really kind of like edit and go back through your purchases, and then it helps to inform your future purchases. So this cute snowflake sweater is thrifted, vintage, definitely keeping it. No need to try it on. Did give it a little smell test to see if it needs to be washed again. So during like when the pandemic first started, people were like doing like lives on Facebook and like selling like thrifted and vintage items because we couldn't really go to the store like that. And I bought this, and it's supposed to be an adult, but as you can see, it looks like a child's hat. And so I gave that to my daughter and went on about my little business. Next, this sweater is from Menlo College. I got when I was working at a program there. I'm gonna keep that. I usually try to keep the stuff that I buy like when I travel and stuff, because they're souvenirs, even for myself. So holding on to that. This vintage sweater, it's giving couch, but I like it. While I like the way it looks, I just feel like the quality is not the best, even for like a vintage sweater. So I'm going to get rid of that one. I also feel like the color is not something that I really need, as I have a lot of like browns and grays in my wardrobe already. This is one of my favorite cardigans. I absolutely love it. I know I'm keeping it, but I'm just trying it on because I like it. It's giving grandma. I don't care. I love it. It's one of my favorite vintage cardigans. It's just amazing. Love it. I'll show up a picture of when I wore this. I actually wore it when I went to go get measured for my wedding dress. And so, yeah, absolutely holding on to her. Love it. Need to wear it some more. Now, this one is easily one of my favorite vintage sweaters. I feel like I said that about all of them. But either way, I wear this one a lot. I'm going to post a picture when I wore it. Look at that tag, like authentic. That's super vintage. Pasta, like, come on. This, I don't even know what this is. Look at my face. I'm confused. I can't even tell you what it is to tell you why I have it or where I got it from. This is the kind of stuff you don't want to add to your wardrobe, because what even is it? obviously getting rid of it. There's nothing wrong with it. It just does not fit into my wardrobe and kind of like, along the lines of the high quality pieces that I want. This is something I did get from like maybe TJ Maxx or Marshall some years ago, but it's actually kind of a weighty sweater and I do like the embroidery on the sleeves. And so I just want to try it on, make sure it still fits and I still like the fit. And then if so, I'm going to hold on to this one because even though it came from, kind of those kind of stores, I'm okay with it because of the quality. The quality is there and it matches one of my bags. So, cute. Like it's okay to shop at those stores, but you still want to be mindful of the pieces that you're buying even within those stores. Like, don't just buy cute things, buy cute quality things that are going to last you and really make sense in your wardrobe. So I'm gonna hang on to this sweater. It's cute, I like it. I feel like I can make a bunch of different outfits out of it. So yeah. This is another piece that I bought from like, I don't know, TJ Maxx or Marshall some years ago. I really love the sleeves on this sweater. So I'm going to try it on, make sure I still like the way that it fits. And I think I'm going to hang on to this one just because I feel like it's so unique. And it is pretty good quality considering where I got it from. And so, yeah, I don't know what I was giving right here, but I was obviously feeling it. So we're going to hold on to her. I really love the sleeves on this one. So yeah, going to keep that one. Okay, this must be like the favorite sweaters box or something because again, another one of my favorites. It's giving couch. I don't care. I love it. It's vintage. I love the colors. It's kind of like burgundy and it's deep green. Don't have to try it on. No, I'm keeping it. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. So I know what you're thinking at this point. Yes, I have a lot of vintage sweaters. I usually thrift most of my sweaters. Like I have a list of items that I don't usually buy new, and sweaters is one of them because you just really can't beat that vintage quality. So now this one should have followed my own rule. I bought this from like, I don't know, TJ Maxx or Marshall some years ago. Girl, the sleeves zip off. It goes into a short sleeve from a long sleeve. I don't know why I bought that. I don't even know if I ever wore it, but we're going to get rid of her. This I actually got from my brother. We like used to trade clothes sometimes, and so while I really like this sweater, it's getting kind of dingy and got some stains in it that won't really come out. So we're gonna get rid of that one. That I'm going to throw away, not donate, because don't nobody want my old dingy sweater. This I got when I went to China. I don't know, 10 years ago at this point, and it says like I climb. Look at me, I didn't broke the zipper off. A 10-year-old sweater. I didn't broke this. I'm just gonna sit that right there. Anyway, it says I climbed the Great Wall, and so I'm absolutely gonna keep this. I'm just trying it on, just to see. But yeah, I know I'm gonna keep this. I can't believe I just broke that zipper off. That's crazy. I've had this for 10 years, never wore it, and then I just broke the zipper. Anyway, the sleeves are kind of wonky on it, as you can see, but I'm just gonna pull them up and kind of make it seem like they're supposed to be like that, and then can't even zip it because I broke the zipper off. But yeah, it's actually cute, but I just don't see myself wearing this. But again, I like to keep my items that I get from like my travels and stuff because they're souvenirs similar to like a picture or something. So we're gonna hold on to her, broke zipper and all. So this next item is an ugly Christmas sweater that I actually made. Obviously, it's absolutely ridiculous. It has like a mini stocking as the pocket. I'm pretty sure I won the contest that year. But yeah, this is what ugly sweaters used to look like before they actually got like commercialized and started making like cute ugly sweaters. But anyway, definitely gonna hold on to this. Holds a lot of memories, and yeah. So this was like a pillowcase that like my best friend gave me some years ago, and she had it like embroidered with my name on it. Have no idea where the pillow is that goes inside of it, but we're gonna hold on to that because again, I like to keep my gifts and travel items. Anyway, so we're gonna take a break here. I'm going to go take care of this child, and then I will see y'all next week for some more. Thanks for watching.